is a beautiful day here in North Carolina, and today I'm in this beautiful park here. This is Cane Creek Mountain area. It's a pine restoration forest project, 1,000 acres of land. It's publicly accessible. They even have camping here. So today I'm just gonna walk along this road here and see what birds I can photograph. So come along and enjoy this adventure. I spend a lot of time birding around campgrounds or any place where there's these little openings in the forest, because they tend to add a huge edge to the forest, and the birds utilize this little area here for hunting, calling, all kinds of things. So I've had very good luck around here. So my goal is, there's a few campsites along here, and my goal is to simply stop at each one, hang around there for 10-15 minutes, see what I can find, and then move on to the next one. This is really just a fun day out here birding. I'm not taking it really serious. I'm not chasing a Pacific bird. I'm just here to have a good time, and if I happen to get some really good pictures, I'll be excited about it. Well, I've been here about 10 or 15 minutes, pitching every couple of minutes here to see if I can attract some birds, and the Carolina chickadee heard me and came flying in. Well, the Carolina chickadee is a resident bird here in North Carolina, and the saying goes, the Carolina chickadee always starts the party. And this time of year, other birds, migratory birds, seek out the Carolina chickadee because the Carolina chickadee knows where the best food is and where the best shelter is. And this small flock of birds came in here. I had actually moved up on this ridge here so that I was at eye level with these birds. Even though they were 15 feet off the ground, I was at eye level with them. And I had a ruby crowned kinglet, which is a fairly common bird here in North Carolina in the wintertime, and a golden crowned kinglet, which is a much rarer bird here. And usually the golden crowned kinglet is much higher in the forest and very difficult to photograph because you only get silhouettes of them. But being a little bit higher on this ridge here, I was at eye level with this bird here. And I'm really hoping these photographs came out really good. I feel very positive about them. And if they did come out, here they are. I just photographed a hermit thrush sitting on a branch of a longleaf pine tree. This bird here is an incredible example of this bird. Now this year there seems to be a lot more hermit thrushes than there have been in the past. Usually the hermit thrush is a fairly uncommon bird here in North Carolina. They are only a winter visitor here, so they're only here this time of year. And I just get so excited when I see them. I really have to calm myself down when I see them, because I don't know what it is about hermit thrush, but it just gets me very, very excited. So if these photos are any good, here they are. Well, today's been a very exciting day out here. I have never really birded out here before, but I will be back here to photograph birds again. So I want to thank you for watching. If you got anything out of it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel, because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Leahy. I want to thank you for watching.